Welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today, this video is going to be all about this 2015 stock exhaust. And does it need a aftermarket exhaust at all? I actually think that it does not, because it sounds amazing. So let's jump in the car and give you all the sounds from this beautiful stock exhaust. Hear that from the inside. That sounds amazing. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for this video. By the way, I hope you guys like the new picture in the background. I think it's pretty awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys liked that video. I wanted to put together something pretty short and get your guys' opinion, because I have quite a few subscribers and other people telling me that I should get an exhaust done to my Z06, and I do have a brand in mind. A lot of people like Corsa, and I do too, but I've also checked into Borla, because Borla actually has exhaust systems that are built just for the C7 Corvettes, so that you can still use your handling setting knob to change how it sounds. So I'm really considering that if I do decide to get an aftermarket exhaust. But I just want to know what your guys' thoughts are on the sound of this stock exhaust. I feel like after owning, you know, 3 Z06s, and I had a Camaro Z28, that this is the best sounding stock exhaust I've ever heard. Obviously, I know the new ZR1 has an even better exhaust than mine, but this exhaust is pretty phenomenal. So let me know what your thoughts are on sound, and then let me know what your thoughts are on as far as exhaust flow goes, because I'm sure that if I get an X pipe and a better, you know, exhaust on there, that it's going to flow a lot better. And that's really what's important when it comes to exhaust. Even though the sound is very important, so is how much exhaust can flow through. And obviously, if I do that, I'll probably end up getting an air intake done also. That way, you know, it's both sides getting better airflow. So let me know in the comments below. Make sure and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, make sure and hit that red subscribe button and the little bell notification next to it so that you're notified when my new content comes out. You guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you out on the road.